this experiment, a mixture of sodium hydroxide and sodium triisocarbonate 4 will be provided to you, and you'll be expected to determine the concentration of the sodium triisocarbonate 4 in the mixture. So the mixture of sodium hydroxide and sodium triisocarbonate 4 is analyzed by double titration method. Here is the equation of reaction. The solution of the mixture is titrated first with phenolphthalein and then with methyl orange indicator. These indicators are being used because the reaction between hydrochloric acid, which is a strong acid, with sodium hydroxide, which is a strong base, requires any indicator to be used. So in this case, we chose phenolphthalein. While the reaction between hydrochloric acid, which is a strong acid, with sodium triisocarbonate 4, which is a weak base, requires methyl orange indicator. Introduce the acid, the hydrochloric acid, into the burette. Take 25 volume of the given solution, the mixture, into the conical flask. Add 2 drops of phenolphthalein indicator to it and titrate until the pink color is just discharged. Note the reading as A1. Then add 2 drops of methyl orange and titrate further until the color changes to pink red at endpoint. Note the final reading as B1. Carry out the titration for a second time and note B2 and B2 readings respectively. Take the average volume of acid used in each case of A1, A2 and B1, B2 as A centimeter cube and B centimeter cube respectively. From your result obtained, calculate the molar concentrations of the sodium hydroxide and sodium triisocarbonate 4 in the mixture using the relationship. From your result, also calculate the amount in grams of sodium hydroxide and sodium triisocarbonate 4 in the mixture using the relationship. Report accordingly and ensure to make use of the right units.